finally the day's here. As some of you know, I liked my Smith & Wesson SD40VE so well, I thought I'd go ahead and get it in the 40 caliber version as well, because I do like the 40. So I thought I'd do a little unboxing today and let you guys have a look at it. So here we are, Smith & Wesson SD40VE. It's got the little cover in it. Pulling it back. What the F? What is this? This doesn't look like a Smith & Wesson. This looks like a Glock. It is a Glock, a G26. How do they do that? My God, Smith & Wesson has gone too far this time. Look, it's even got a Glock mag in it that's loaded. I'm calling my gun store. This is ridiculous. The gun is loaded. This is insane. How can they get away with this? There's going to have to be a lawsuit over this crap.